Hi guys! Today we are learning how to remove storage full error on App Store. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all system storage and device settings. If your App Store is showing a storage full error, this is the first place to start fixing it. Now scroll down inside Settings and tap on General. This section contains important options for your iPhone system. From here, you can access storage, software settings, and device optimization tools. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Here you will see a full breakdown of your storage usage. Apps, photos, system data, everything will be shown clearly. If your storage is full, this screen will help you understand what is taking up space and causing App Store errors. Now scroll down and look for unused apps that are taking extra space. You can tap Offload App to free storage without losing data, or delete app if you don't need it anymore. Also, if your Photos Recently Deleted folder has files, make sure to empty it to free extra space. After cleaning, restart your phone for better performance and smoother App Store working. And that's how you can easily remove storage full error on App Store. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple iPhone tutorials like this.